In other words,
yung
yung pong yung live streaming na aasahan namin sa ICI is not the same as the live streaming ng Senate proceedings.
Hindi ko pa po malalaman kung until the commission will eventually approve the rules, but definitely po yan po yung issues, sabi nga po ninyo, bone of contention, no.
Opo.
It might be different in the sense nga po, at aside from yung dalawa pong pinagbabalanse natin, no. Ang isa po diyan is ayaw po mangyari na ICI na gamitin sila for political purposes. Kumbaga po magkaroon po ng grandstanding, at the same time baka po magkaroon ng trial by publicity. Yan po yung iniingatan ng commission, dahil once mangyari po, maapektuhan po yung aming investigasyon.